Hey fellow Nevillers, I had this thought this morning about something someone said to me. So what do we do if someone says something to us in our 3D reality out here, fabulous Earth? Somebody says something to us that kind of hurts us. It kind of just, ooh, I didn't want to hear that. Do you know where that comes from? It comes from ourself. It comes from something we said to ourselves on the inside. I'll give you a personal example. I made a video one time on YouTube, i.e. here, that I'm always doing, and the music was loud, and I kind of said to myself, oh my goodness, oh my godness is what I change it to now. Oh my godness, the music's loud, they won't be able to hear it. And sure enough, someone put a comment on my YouTube video saying just that. So what I'd done was berated myself via my inner conversations, and someone turns up in reality to show you what you've been doing on the inside. Because, my darlings, everything comes from the inside out, hence the saying, as within, so without. So if something does come up in your reality and you don't care for it, use Neville's fabulous technique of revision. I think I may have just dribbled it, excuse me, I get excited with Neville's teachings. So what do? They've said something to us we don't care to hear, or we see something we don't wish to see, i.e. on the news, television, or someone tells us something. We use the 12 disciples, which are 12 qualities of our mind. Yes, my darlings, you've got 12 disciples, i.e. a disciplined mind. You only hear, see, feel and touch that which you want to, that which is in alignment with your wishes, desires and ideal self. So replace what you heard, i.e. let's see, what did I do? I can't remember what I did. I think I just said to myself, your videos are fabulous, Sarah. Basically praise yourself. I know it's something we don't generally do, but we do, we can, we should and we ought to praise ourselves. Be proud of what we've accomplished. Give ourselves a pat on the back. Excuse the wobbly cell phone, I'm sat on the step. Anyhow, something turns up you don't care for, you can change it because it's just a memory, my darlings. That's all it is. We're having a dream as God. I know that's complicated sometimes to understand and comprehend, but for now, I'll leave it here. Use your 12 disciples, the 12 qualities of mind. Let me know down in the comments how this helped you, how it served you, and what I can share that will be superly empowering for you, my lovely viewers, which you are myself pushed out. Big fat kiss, guys. Bye. Follow for more.